Can you name all the colors in English? Let's learn 30 color words you'll use every day. Red, red. She wore a beautiful red dress to the party. Blue, blue. The sky is so clear and blue today. Green, green. The grass looks fresh and green after the rain. Yellow, yellow. He bought a bright yellow car last week. Black, black. I prefer black coffee in the morning. White, white. The walls in my room are completely white. Pink, pink. Her favorite color is pink. Purple, purple. She painted her nails a dark purple shade. Orange, orange. We picked some juicy orange fruits from the tree. Brown, brown. His shoes are made of brown leather. Gray, gray. The clouds turned gray before it started to rain. Violet, violet. The garden was full of violet flowers. Gold, gold. The trophy was made of shiny gold. Silver, silver. He gave her a silver necklace for her birthday. Beige, beige. The curtains in the living room are beige. Turquoise, turquoise. I love the turquoise water of the sea. Cyan, cyan. The artist used cyan to brighten the painting. Magenta, magenta. Her lipstick was a bold magenta color. Navy, navy. He wore a navy suit to the meeting. Maroon, maroon. The sofa in our living room is maroon. Teal, teal. The walls were painted in a calm teal shade. Olive, olive. She wore an olive jacket in the winter. Coral, coral. The coral reefs are home to many sea creatures. Lavender, lavender. The lavender scent made the room smell amazing. Peach, peach. She chose a peach dress for the summer wedding. Indigo, indigo. Indigo is a deep color between blue and violet. Cream, cream. He painted his office walls in a light cream tone. Mint, mint. The mint green pillow looks refreshing. Charcoal, charcoal. The artist drew a portrait using charcoal shades. Crimson, crimson. The sunset painted the sky in crimson hues. Great job! Now you can describe colors in English. Next, let's learn numbers. Watch the next video.